Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel again. In today's video I will show you how to make a very easy Christmas card with lovely snowflakes using stencils. So first of all I take my red cardstock, signing how big is my stencil. It was too big for my cutting machine, so I used my old technique to cut it with a cutting mat, a ruler and a roller cutter. It works very well every time when I have a bigger piece of paper, but I love the cutting machine too because it's much more faster. When I have my paper, I use a washi tape to stick the stencils on. Then I use white acrylic paint to paint the snowflakes. My brush is a special one for stencils. It has short and strong hair. You have to use it by tapping. To have a perfect finish, you mustn't use water to this paintbrush, so you only have to use your acrylic paint. Water can be used for wash the paintbrush out when you finish the process. This brush can make a precise result because it doesn't let the paint go under the stencil. I remove the stencils and let the paint dry. You can use hairdryer to make it faster. Then I use a cutting machine and the rectangle cutting die to cut out the pieces. I used washi tape to fix the cutting die. You have to be very careful where you stick the washi tape because it can harm the surface of the paper. So you have to stick it to the place which you won't use to your project. For the background, I chose a pattern from a paper set from Craft Sensations Once Upon a Time. You can find the link in the description box. Then I measure my card base and cut my pattern paper to the right size. Using double-sided tape to stick it. I put a little sign with pencil where my snowflakes will be, then I use double-sided tape too. When everything in its place, I put a sentiment in the center. I used my front camera in my phone and I didn't realize it will be mirrored, so I apologize for this. Next time I will be more attentive. Some finishing touches with some rhinestones make the whole card much more special. If you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for being here. I wish you have a wonderful period of time.